Stephen Graham. I am the incoming head of secondary here at the British School of Beijing. I'm very excited to be joining the team as I lead the secondary school on the next phase of its journey. I joined Nord Anglia Education 14 years ago, and that was really the start of my international school journey. And towards the end of my time at Pudong, I took on a broader role as the head of secondary, and that was really a tremendously enriching experience to have that big picture overview of student learning and supporting teachers to reflect on their practice and ensure that the students in their care were provided for in the best possible way. So I'm really excited about bringing that experience to BSB and to really supporting the students and the teachers at the school. I believe we have a tremendous talent pool at the school, fantastic students, really excellent teachers. We're really well placed to support the students in our care to be successful and achieve the best possible outcomes.